Recently, Binance BNB coin made a new all-time high at 860. So what does this mean for the crypto space and what should you be doing? Now in this video, I'm going to explain to you everything about this and what you should be doing, and if the crypto space is about to experience the bull run that we have all been waiting for or not. And before I go ahead to do that, you're welcome. This is Blockchainplus. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Hit the likes button also in this video if you enjoy this kind of video, and most importantly, share this video with your friends so that they also can get values from content like this. And don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. If there's any question you have, just drop it in the comment section. And if you want to also say thank you for updating us with this kind of video, drop it as well in the comment section, because your comments, your likes, and everything you do helps me and encourages me to do more in this space. All right, with that said, let's go back to the video of today. So like I said, Binance has made a new all-time high at 860. So I'm just going to draw this line over to this place. That is the all-time high that Binance made. Now what does it mean for Binance and the crypto world in general? Now if you look at this, okay, let me just bring this down a little like this. If you look at this, you will notice that the all-time high that Binance made simply means that we've broken this level here, right here. That's the level. Let me just draw this. We've broken this level here, and we've also broken this level right here, because the market significantly closed above those levels. So let me just do this so that you see. So you can see the market significantly closed above those levels. I'm going to remove all of this, and then this is the first level. Now let me do this again, and then this is the second level right there. So the market significantly broke above those levels, and right now we are testing the first level, which is this. We are testing it at this point. You can see it right here. So after the market broke the level with this candle right here, this green candle right here, it actually came back down to retest the second level, which is here, as you can see that right there. So those who actually understand how this market works would have entered a buy around here. Now if you're trading in futures, you would have entered a buy around here, and right now you would have made so much money, especially if you're using 10x, 20x, or up to 50x for those who go aggressively. And right now, again, it has broken that level again right here, and it's here. So at this point, should you be buying, or should you actually wait to see if it's going to drop again? Right now, for me, I'm not going to do anything, because at this point there is no significant reason for me to actually enter the market for a buy. But if I'm trading futures, maybe I would have waited for it to come to this place, making a double top, or doing a kind of piercing, maybe a candle that pierces here but closes below. That means it has made a double top with a wick going upward. Then I will sell it for the short term, either to this level or to this level. Then when it comes to this level, then I'm going to ride it all the way back up. So it means I'm going to do something like this. Let me just see. Okay, let me drop this. um let me use this. I don't know if this can give me what I want. Okay, this, go this way, and then maybe come like this. Then at this point, I'm going to finally take my buy that will ride me all the way to the top, right like that. So this is how I will trade this market. So I will enter a sell from here, then take profit here, or I will wait for it to come back here to take profit from the sell for futures. Then I will ride it back all the way to this place in holding for spot. So that is how I will trade this. Now, what does this mean generally in crypto space? Seeing that Bitcoin has broken these highs and given us a new all-time high at this place. And also, if you look at BTC also, let me go to BTC right now. BTC also has made a new all-time high at 122, I mean 123 thereabout, and then this candle actually failed to break above this all-time. However, we know that BTC has made a new all-time high. So what does all of this mean for us in the crypto space? Now let's also look at another data before we actually know what all of these things mean and what you should be doing. So if you come to coin market cap right here, you can see right now the market cap is around 3.94 trillion, right? That is the market cap. But if you look towards this side, if you look at this point right here, let me just circle that point, this point right here, yeah, that particular point. If I put my cursor on it, you will see, just look at this point, look at this place my cursor is right now. If I put at it here, you will see, okay, let me do it this way so that you will see at this place that I circle, you will see something pop up there. If I put my cursor back, you can see, yeah, right there, you can see that we actually hit 4.06 trillion market cap. This is the first time in history that we are hitting 4 trillion market cap, and all of this signifies bullishness of the market. It signifies that the market is being bullish. It signifies that investors are putting in money gradually. It signifies that the market is gradually entering the bull run season that we have all been waiting for. And now, if these are the positive signs that we see, because all of this is points to positive signs. And then finally, if you look at the fear and greed section, you will see that we are still in the greedy zone. What does this actually mean when we say we are in the greedy zone? It means that people are just buying at the price that the coin is. They don't want to miss out. So they don't want to actually miss out from anything. So they are willing to buy at the price they are seeing the coin, and that is why you see that the price of coins keeps going high and high and high. Right now, Ethereum, if you watch my previous video, you will see that Ethereum actually has broken the 4,000 price mark and is trading above it. So with all of this, what should you be doing as a trader or as an investor? Now for me, what I will be doing is to wait to actually buy in my coins at the price that I feel will be good for me. Now if you have not bought any coin, if you have not entered into any project, this is not the time for you to just jump into any project, because at the end of the day you may just be losing money. Rather, what you need to do first of all is to, if you have a mentor, go to the mentor and ask a mentor to recommend good coins that they have researched and give to you to buy. But if you don't have any mentor that is mentoring you, then you can come into my mentorship. In my mentorship class, you can learn everything about crypto. We also have our portfolio where we are investing in. Now, if you see, this is the number one coin in our portfolio. You can see Ethereum, and we invested in Ethereum at the price of 1,915. Right now, Ethereum is around 4,000, and you can see in this portfolio I have over 30 coins that I have researched on, and I believe that are going to do anywhere from the minimum of 4x to over 250x, and that is what we have done with all the 30 coins in the portfolio. So you can come under my mentorship, pay the mentorship fee of just $20 or 30,000 naira right now, and then you get access to all the informations, all the classes, all the portfolios, and also our futures trading signal. You get access to all of that. Why I'm telling you to get a mentor, not just investing blindly, is because if you follow the hypes on TikTok, on YouTube, on Twitter, and everything, you may just be buying the random coins and buying the wrong coins at the same time. At the end of the day, instead of you to be making money from your investment, you will actually be losing money, and I don't want to do that. So get a mentor that will mentor you so that you invest your money wisely, because in the crypto space, you need to actually invest your money wisely before you're able to make money. So yeah, that is everything that you need to know about the crypto space. And now let me go back to BNB for my price prediction for BNB, because I like to give price predictions for all of this coin. Now looking at the fact that BNB is now trading around $800, I already gave my price prediction that for this bull run, BNB is not going to surpass, at least it's not going to surpass $1,700. So if it does very well, then we can see it around 1,700, 2,000. But on the low side, I am looking at BNB just giving us around 1,003 to 1,005. So that's my price prediction for BNB. So if you're investing in BNB, all you need to do is to hold on your investment and wait for it. So let me go back to BNB and give you a good buying zone. So let me just go back to BNB. So it's to hold on. Okay, I'm actually using crypto.com chart. So let me go back and use Binance chart. So all you need to do is to hold on. And actually, I think I did some illustration on BNB. Why am I not seeing the charts again? So let me go. Okay, let me just use this. Let me just use this. So is to hold on and actually enter at this level. Just be patient and buy at that level, and also you can also see if you can get it again at 600. There was a time it was actually at 600 and a lot of people were getting in at 600. But if you can't get that 600, at least at 730 or 750 is where you should be getting into this coin right now. All right guys, that is it for me in this particular video. I hope you benefited from this video, and I hope you've also subscribed to this channel and you've turned on your bell notification icon. And most importantly, I hope you've liked this video and you've shared it with your friend. Please drop a comment if you have any comment for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed.